Hey everybody, good morning. It's Ned over my Philippine dreams. It's a soggy day here in Dumaguete City, but hopefully I got a little ray of sunshine for you. Now, some of you know Chichay is a bit of a musician, and last night we actually recorded her for the first time. Now, I am no sound engineer, nor is she. She is simply the talented one, and I am good at moving furniture. So this was our first attempt at basically recording, and I did the post on it. I'm not sure how it came out. I think I used a little too much reverb, but this is basically a teaser for her own YouTube channel. What I'd like you guys to do is go down to the video description box. There's a link over to her channel where the video is, and you can click on that, subscribe to her channel so she can get the 1,000 subscribers and start making that huge AdSense. So without any further ado, here's the video teaser right here, and there's going to be little pop-up boxes going where you can go check out her channel and subscribe. Thanks a lot and enjoy, right? Right.
When you hold me in the street and you kiss me on the dance floor, I wish that we could be like that. Why can't we be like that? 'Cause I'm yours. Why can't you hold me in the street? Why can't I kiss you on the dance floor? I wish that we could be like that. Why can't we be like that? 'Cause I'm yours. When you're with her, do you call her a name like you do when you're with me? Does it feel the same? Would you leave if I was ready to settle down? Or would you play it safe and say, I don't wanna live life this way, I don't wanna hide us away, I wonder if we'll ever will change, I'm living for that day, someday. Why can't you hold me in the street? Why can't I kiss you on the dance floor? I wish that we could be like that. Why can't we be like that? 'Cause I'm yours, I'm yours.
Alright, so that's the video. Again, I am not an audio engineer. If anybody is an audio engineer, I can actually send you the Acoustica Mixcraft tracks that were laid down. It was only done with 2 tracks, and maybe you can figure out how to do it right. Until next time, this is Ned, and this is Bridget, and we'll see you on my Philippine dreams. Right? Yeah. Ugh. Ugh. You're such a kisser. Hey, if you consider our work to be of any value, consider supporting us on Patreon. If you're a Patreon, you get a free copy of my ebook, and we do monthly Google Hangouts. So consider doing that, if you would please.